Good morning. Here, going to start again ang ating rice, low carb. So, ang natin for today, meron tayong tinapa, the tomato, egg, and then cucumber. Tara, let's eat. And of course, di mawawala ang ating black coffee, no sugar. Kain tayo. Let's take this one. Inuubo ako. Kaya kailangan na nating mag-start ng healthy lifestyle ulit.
What are you talking to?
Tapos na po siya kumain. You're done eating, right? You're done eating?
Yes.
Yeah. Mas na pa.
Mommy, you can have one.
No?
Why? Why? You have one. Why do you don't want have one?
Okay.
So just eat it.
Temptation.
Eat it. Eat it. Huh?
Yeah.
Wrap it up.
Sarap. You want? Cucumber.
Crunchy. You want it? All? Why?
May namit kami sa hospital.
No.
She was
He.
65 years old already, and her skin is very beautiful. It's very healthy. Sabi niya, hindi siya nagpapaderma. Dumaya.
Mommy, you're saying she.
No, yeah, she. So, what she's eating only is cucumber daw every day. Wow, try nga natin. Diba? Kasi wala tayong pampaderma.
Who's she? Mommy, who's she?
She's Lami's classmate.
Ah. See?
She owns a supermarket.
She also went there?
She owns a supermarket.
Ah.
Yeah. She's pretty.
And what's her name?
That's it.
What? What's her name? What's her name? What's her name?
I don't wanna say. Start with B.
BT. Creepy.
Blippi.
Creepy.
Mm.
Is it sleepy?
egg.
What?
This is fried egg, pero ang pinaglutuan ko talaga nito, ang ginagamit namin sa bahay is coconut oil.
Hey!
Diba?
You know, look like coconut.
Coconut oil.
I don't like that. Oh, vlogging like mukbang.
Yeah. You're making me cough.
What?
Making me cough.
Hey,
Say hi, everyone. No, di massage my back. Later, we're going to the doctor.
I don't like injections again.
No.
They're not going to inject me?
No.
What are they going to do?
The doctor will just check your chest and your back.
And then go
Listen
home.
to your lungs.
Go home?
Yes. Tomorrow you go to school.
No!
Kamatis. Onion leaves. Cucumber.
Can you just say egg?
Of course, egg. I fried 2 eggs.
Mommy, can you wrap the egg in the cucumber?
Of course.
Go ahead.
Let's wrap the egg. I know, the cucumber around the egg. There. And let's eat. Good. Next.
Yeah.
Last one.
Last.
Yeah. Sana kayanin natin tuloy-tuloy.
See,
Enough, that one.
I'm just wrapping it up. For you.
Don't that.
You eat.
No. Kaya busog na ako. Kainin ko na lang ulit ito mamaya. Pag nagutom. Tira siyang. Pero yung cucumber kakainin ko na to.
Wrap the cucumber in the egg.
No more. I don't like the egg na. It's there again.
Just eat the cucumber.
Taste. Ay! This one is crunchy. I told you. It's crunchy, right? You like more? Okay. Show them. Show them that you're eating the cucumber. Mine na. It's crunchy. Faster. So we're gonna say bye-bye to the video. Ouch! Bye-bye! See you again. Say bye-bye na.
The end of
The
the
end.
story.
The story.